Hello Gagasi FM family, welcome to the city of choice, Pietermaritzburg, Silana Harry Gwala Regional Hospital, formerly known as Edendale Hospital. So Mother's Day as Gagasi FM sithe ake sihambe siyovakashela omama abasanda kuthola abantwana at Harry Gwala Regional Hospital, where we celebrated and sabungaza omama abasanda kuthola abantwana. We really do mengabe sithi we care about abalaleli bethu, and under our CSI banner which is called Gagasi FM Cares, nabo omama abasanda kuthola abantwana sithe ake size kubona sizobabungaza and just say Happy Mother's Day.
Namhlanje sivakashelwe iGagasi ngosuku olukhulu le-Mother's Day ukuzosipha izipho zomama asebebelethile izipho. Siyabonga kakhulu siyisibhedlela sase-Harry Gwala Regional Hospital ukuthi omama bethu abaqhamuka ey'ndaweni ezakhalene nomgungundlovu namaphethelo bathola ithuba elihle kangaka lokuthi bazophiwa izipho ezinhle kangaka.
I'd like to show my biggest gratitude to Gagasi for giving us the Mother's Day gift. It looks like everything in here I do love, but most of all I would like to say to thank the Edendale Hospital team for such an amazing work that they do. I'm very grateful and very honored to have been part of the patients at the Edendale Hospital, because I was very skeptical with what I had gone through because my pregnancy was an early pregnancy and I had to deliver my baby at a very early stage since my water broke very early.